Now, coming to the next topic, that is data preparation. In this topic, we will see how to add an index field using Python, how to change misleading field values using Python, how to re-express categorical field values using Python, how to standardize numeric fields using Python, how to identify outliers using Python. So, first, how to add an index field using Python. We can pass column labels of the data frame to assign it as an index of the data frame. We can also give a list of labels which can be strings or numbers to data frame dot set underscore index brackets functions to set a new index in the data frame. Now second, how to change misleading field values using Python. Replace the column contains the values yes and no with true and false in Python pandas. Method 1 is using series.map brackets. Method 2 is using data frame dot replace bracket. How to standardize numeric fields using Python. What is standardization? Standardization is used on the data values that are normally distributed. Further, by applying standardization, we tend to make the mean of the data set is 0 and the standard deviation equivalent to 1. First, using pre-processing.scale um, bracket function, and second one is using standard scalar bracket function. Using preprocessing.scale function. The preprocessing.scale data function can be used to standardize the data values to a value having mean equivalent to 0 and standard deviation as 1. And now second, using standard scalar function. Python sklearn library offers us with standard scalar function to perform standardization on the dataset. How to identify outlier using Python. What is an outlier? An outlier is an untypically observed data point in a given distribution of data points. The outcome is the lower and the upper bound. Any value lower than the lower or higher than the upper bound is considered an outlier.